Hello, WWII scholars. Today we're going to take a look at the end of World War II and the aftermath of the atomic bombs. After warning Japan that they would face prompt and utter destruction if they did not surrender, President Truman followed through on the threat and dropped the atomic bombs on August 6, 1945 on Hiroshima and August 9, 1945 on Nagasaki, causing 200,000 deaths instantly and many more injuries. On August 6, 1945, a B-29 bomber, the Enola Gay, dropped a 9,000-pound little boy on Hiroshima. 66,000 people died instantly. There was total vaporization of a half-mile diameter and total destruction 1 mile long. Japan still did not surrender, although we must note that communication lines and other problems might make them wonder if they could communicate the new devastation of the new weapon, or if they thought it was another firebombing strategy that had just destroyed and knocked out the power. In any case, 3 days later, 10,000-pound Fat Man was dropped on Nagasaki. It annihilated nearly half the city, and the population dropped from 422,000 to 383,000. There are still going to be many other problems here, including death due to radiation poisoning, severe burns, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, diarrhea, hair loss, and much, much more. The entire cities would both have to be rebuilt. The secret word is Enola Gay. The secret word is Enola Gay. Now, on August 14th, 1945, Japan surrendered. This is going to end World War II for the United States and for the rest of the world. The United States is going to be part of Japan's rebuilding, and Japan's totally going to have an about shift in how they view war and the military, and their culture is going to shift. But one thing is certain. Hiroshima proved that a new weapon was on the scene. Let's just take a look at the bombing on Hiroshima. The force was greater than 20,000 tons of TNT. It destroyed 76,000 buildings. 78,000 were killed, 70,000 severely injured, 3,000 people never found, and 2/3 of the city was destroyed. The world had entered the atomic age, with the United States as the supreme holder of the most destructive weapon ever. Robert Oppenheimer, who had worked on the atomic bomb, is going to say, "I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." And in fact, it left the United States as the bully on the world block, instead of fists having the atomic bomb. But the question becomes, will someone else try to get the bomb themselves? Will other bullies appear on the block? And will the United States remain the biggest bully and the strongest? That we'll find out in our next unit. Have a good